Hey podcasters, let's get your Maonocaster Lite AM200-S1 up and running in a flash. First, crack open that box and check your components. You should have the Maonocaster Lite console, a USB Type-C cable, a microphone, if included, a mic cable, and the user manual. Next, plug in the USB Type-C cable and give your Maonocaster Lite a full charge. Now connect your microphone to the port and your headphones to the port. Optionally, hook up external speakers to the port for extra oomph. Time to connect the Maonocaster Lite to your computer or mobile device. Make sure it's recognized as your default audio input/output. Test your mic, adjust the knobs until you sound golden. Want some effects? Play around with, and those fun. Finally, select the Maonocaster Lite in your recording software or streaming platform, hit record, and you're live. Fine-tune your settings, save your presets, and you're ready to rock your podcasting world. Enjoy creating.